It's always an exciting day when it's time to get a new crock-pot. Our old one's heater coil finally burned out, so we decided to go with a new model with some new features and a really good look. We were really glad to pick one out that had these locking clamps like our last one because transporting a crock-pot is definitely a need. Here is the 6-quart stoneware bowl, which can go in the oven up to 400 degrees, and it has a nice, clean look. That's going to be really great. They do make larger 8-quart ones, but 6-quart is more than enough for us. Here we have the base of the crock-pot itself, and instead of the older dial turn settings, it does have the options to select both the different temperature settings and the duration for which it will cook. It even has the warm setting. And I just really like this color. This green is going to look so good in our kitchen, and I like the white too, though I am a little concerned about stains later in the future. It has a really good clamping force. You can lift the whole thing by the handle, though I don't recommend doing that. And I think that's going to be more than enough to keep any liquids, soups, chili, anything like that here inside. This crock-pot does come with a 1-year warranty, which is always nice to see, and I think it just looks really, really great. And we're going to plug this in for the first time. To power this device on, we just hit select, and then we have the option for 4 or 6 hour on high heat, 8 to 10 on low, or just warm. And then you can just toggle off. Not quite as convenient as the old twist style versions of the crock-pot, but I think this is still going to be very nice and works really well in our kitchen.